went there to visit my bro. Almost didn't make it back.
Almost didn't make it back. Dude, it's just college.
Yeah, see, that's what I thought. I didn't sleep for 3 days, okay? I don't have any money left.
Див викенд за паметење на тројца средношколци кои го посетуваат локалниот коледж кампус како потенцијални бруцоши.
Played naked frisbee. Found a tattoo on my lower back of a unicorn. Don't remember getting that. I laughed. I cried. So all in all, I'd say it was pretty much the best weekend of my life.
Looking good, Kev. A lot hairier than I thought you'd be.
Коледж вечерва во 22 часот.